Okay, get potatoes. Just the risotto, George. Potatoes. You got enough there, Tim, or no?
You can take from there.
Okay, go, guys, go. All right, Gary, what are we doing next, mate?
Okay, I think we should go to those entrees.
Oh, yes, where is it? Table 8. He wanted.
George has got it up there. Have a look.
I've already sent some stuff on it. George, the bread's already gone, the salt's already gone. I'll do the calamari main now, and the meatballs. Calamari main and meatballs. 1, 2, 3.
So you're still waiting for octopus, is that right, Dennis?
What are you talking about, mate? I don't understand. Octopus entree, but George said George is doing it. George is doing it, Gary. Don't worry about it.
Okay, mate.
Just the risotto. That's it I need, George.
What's next for me?
Go.
I need that calamari semenu too.
I need that, don't worry.
I need 5 mussels, please. Meatballs. Oh, in the fridge, George.